Good morning everyone, especially to you sir, good morning. I apologize na karon ako kayo mo because sa akong part-time job. So, my topic for today is next ni siya kang bro Christian sa about sa report niya. Then, ako ang report is the acting techniques. So, the theater is a very technical word that even the slightest things you do on the stage is very calculated and anticipated. There are a lot of things you need to remember once you start stepping into the stage. So, ang acting techniques niya is a variety of methods that actors use to create and perform believable characters on stage or screen. So, muna na ito ang technique sa pag-acting. So, ang ganang mga actor, pag mukuha na sila sa stage, is remember po na sila unsa ang ilang ang mga dos o don't nga ilang himuon ang dapat o dili nila dapat nga himuon. So there's these certain ways that actors do instead of being inspired by the different schools of acting techniques. So hindi pa kong gingan pati sa mga schools na nadira sa ano. Then this part of the unit will help you explore the 8 most used acting techniques in the world of theater. So natay walo ka acting techniques. So ang ako ang na-assign nga topic is ang Upatra. Mo ni ang Stanislavski method, ang method acting techniques, then classical acting techniques o ang Mr. techniques. So ang primero let's talk about the Stanislavski method. So classical acting technique method, acting technique mo kita kung gayon dai guys. So Stanislavski method, Konstantin Stanislavski, so mo siya guys, had a lifespan from 1863 to 1938. So ang yang edad ani, so edad niya 75 ang siya namatay. He was a Russian actor and director who created a certain way of training other actors in a theater life flourish well. The Moscow art was to reject the overly acted use of gestures to convey a message, which sometimes created a natural way of acting. So ang purpose ani niya is dili kinahanglan nga mas overacting ta, mas angay pa maging simple para mas masabtan sa audience, masabtan para magiging realistic ang ato ang pag-act. Then he likes his actors to learn and to bring out the inner truth of the character they are portraying, so that when the play is performed in front of the audience will experience the reality of the performance, leaving them speechless as they exit the theater. So, ayang yan niya is kang inner truth, mga silbi, ang pagiging ang tinuod bitaw nato bitaw nga bitaw sa tuwa nga pangsulod nga ano. Then this is popularly known as the method, ang atuang paagi sa atong pag-act. Then Stanislavski presented the knowledge of putting a sense of reality on the stage, and audience started to connect with the actors as they are doing things that are done naturally by people like them. In the method, the actors are always reminded to use the word F. The actor should put himself or herself into a situation that a character will be. With the use of F, the actor will develop a make-believe trigger that will put them into the world of the characters given circumstances. So, mas kuan ko no was sa method naman, mas importante nga makakuan ta word nga kanang F kung imong imong ibutang ang imuhang self sa ilaha o para sila makarelate sa imuhang nga topic. Then as an actor, it is very important that you should teach yourself on the method because almost all of the acting techniques were created this. So as actor, mas tuduan na to atong kagalingon nga maging kabata mo dala or kabata mo muputan sa atong kagalingon sa iban para makarelate sila. So let's move on sa panduha na acting techniques. Ang banda is classical acting techniques. These techniques springs from the acting method of Konstantin Stanislavski, who became very popular during the late 18th and the early 90s. So nagkuha ko siya sa popular na gitong kuha ni Stanislavski sa primero. So his acting technique was both on the scrutinizing of the script and the self-discovery of the truth of a character compared to the reality of the actor. So ang siya nga is ginasiyasat or yan ang gina-act ang unsa na sa script. While ang itong sa binero sa kang Stanislavski is ang ginahimo ato niya is ang reality, ang pagiging realistic, ang pagiging pagkakatotoo sa inner truth. So this method is being mixed with the teaching of Michael St. Denis. So mo siya guys si Michael St. Unsa yung pabasa dira St. Denis. So classical acting is a word that includes a variety of acting systems being combined as one. So this system includes body expression, proper use of the voice, ample use of imagination. So ang dili na is kining i-combine na ang mga i-combine ang itong mga ang body expression. So body expression, ang proper use of the voice, o ample means sapat na paggamit sa body expression. So kay ang kasi daghan man na, so dira is gina-combine niya para mas kaya-aya. So personalizing the character, doing improvisation, memory recall and analyzing scripts for better performance. So improvisation is the action of improvising. So ang pagbigkas ng walang paghanda o ang pagbigkas bitaw nimo on the spot sa kitong nga script. Then in all senses, this technique is a balance between external and internal motivations. This is a pantulo ang method acting technique. Method acting technique is a popular technique, if not the most popular technique in the industry of acting. So mas most popular din siya nga technique. So the technique was created by Lee Strasberg. So mo na siya guys ay. So let's proceed sa pantulo, method acting technique. Method acting is a popular technique, if not the most popular technique in the industry of acting. So mo na siya guys at pinaka most nga popular technique. So the technique was created by Lee Strasberg, who was an American teacher and actor. So mo na si Lee Strasberg. So Lee was an avid fan of Stanislavski. So fan niya si Stanislavski. So the method became his disciple. Then the use of the magic, the use of senses to recall a memory, the emotional recall and the animal work. So natake lang na nato gayud ang kinisiya. So gikuha na niya po ni Lee Strasberg kay silbi man niya na humili or isa siya nga naga-idolo kang Stanislavski. So these essentials are created to allow actors to perform realistically. So dili po ginagawa ang pag-act sa actors as pagiging realistic. Then this method is used by actors when they are performing and will have to go back to reality when they are off stage. Most actors use this technique nowadays. So kabalo naman ta sa method acting technique. So mo na yung kanabahan nga ginagamit na sa mga actors kay mas mahanay ang ilahang dawis sila mo act. So method acting originating from Stanislavski's ideas. Method acting was popularized by Lee Strasberg, mga taong gingon. This technique pushes actors to immerse themselves fully into the character's mindset, often blurring the lines between the actor and the role. So makabalo sila or dili na kayo gining blurring or dili kayo gini bitang libog sa mga manonood. So lastly, let's proceed sa Meissner technique. Another byproduct of Stanislavski's the method is the Meissner technique. So mo ni si Meissner. This technique was created by a contemporary and associate of Lee Strasberg. So kang Lee Strasberg Japanese siya nga diay. Das di Sanford Meissner. Di ko na po ni Meissner. Mr. Style is about obliging the actor to forget himself in a while. So, once we say obliging ang pagiging obligation or oblig sa actor nga iyasang kalimutan ng iyahang o iyahang dili siya as in nga literacy ha o ang iyang pag-act at least during performance and rehearsals. This means that the actor must refrain from thinking so much and begin to reply to an attended instinct. This means that the actor must refrain from thinking so much and begin to reply to an attended instinct. So, sa ngari, ginagawa ng mga actor is ganing ma-refrain do na pigilan ang ilahang paggunahuna sa so much sa ilahang kagalingon. Mas ang actor dire is mas ginakuan nga in the moment actors kining kalimtan sa nila ang unsa ilahang pagiging sila ay ilang problema ano sa problema may conflict sila sa lang family sa lang love life, so magka-conflict man to ilahang isipon. So silbi nga rin is ginagawa nga rin nga ang actors magiging on time or das magiging present of mind sila nga rin. Then Mr. Actors are also called in the moment actors. So the Mr. technique comprises of three distinctive exercises, and these are the emotional preparation, repetition, and improvisation. So these three mechanisms help actors to observe their partner during the performance and to stay at the moment instead of depending on memory recall or practice. So these three mechanisms help actors to observe their partner during the performance and stay at the moment instead of depending on memory recall or practice. So nara ka din nga tulong nga mechanism is mas makatabang sa imo para makaisip ka, then para they can have access to create to creative response. So maka-respond ka sa imong kauban o partner sa pag-act. Then let's tackle sa emotional preparation sa tulog. So ang nasahin sa mga topic is kanilang ang ninindua is kang Mr. J. Boltron. So by the way, what is emotional preparation? So this is basic in Mr. technique because Mr. taught that actors are obliged to develop in the character's life the so-called imaginary circumstances. Kanang pag ano nimo pa sa mga problems na pag-imagine nimo daan sa imong problema nga maabot. Then an actor must illustrate vast emotional experience. Imong ganing malawak or ganing grabe nga emotion. Then to make it more interesting, the emotional life of the character must be understood by the actor, and he or she should perfect this technique. So emotional life is dapat is ang character po din mas gina understand sa actor, and he or she should perfect perfect na niya nga technique. Silbi ginaskuan bitaw sa ginasabot sa gining sa actor unsa ang iyang sa character niya ginasabot niya unsa ang feelings niya nga kani nag deep soul may sorrow pa siya or may beat ba or problema pa siya. This includes the deepened connection of the actor to the character. So mo yung giyon mas makakuha siya kining connection bitaw sa actor pangadto sa character. This acting method enables actors to focus on their characters' emotional life. Focus siya sa imong characters in emotional life. Thus strengthening their connection to the characters' personal experiences. Mas angay mo nga magakuha kag mga personal experiences nimo about sa life din. Mas mulikon to nga kuan is makakuha mo idea nga iwatang kuha nga mga emotional life para as makarelate ang mga audience. Then here are some steps to achieve the Mr. technique. So first, defining a character's background, and this background affects the character's choices, emotions, responses, and views. So, minadefine sa character ay yung background bitaw unsa ang sa iya mga background niya nag-affect sa character's choices, mga emotions niya. Then pandua is talking and observing people who have the same experiences that your character has. Pag istorya bitan nimo o gina-observe nimo ang sa mga tao ang same niya nga experiences sa character. Then lastly, creating one feeling of a character and allowing those emotions to change into connected or diverse feelings. Ang pag-create bitan nimo sa usa ka feeling sa character, kita mga character, so di na yun nga same type ng feelings or emotion din ginakuan nga para kung unsa to yung mga kuan o unsa to pinaka unique o pinaka kuan is gina connect bitaw para mas nice sense ang ilang pag-act din. Our diverse feelings certainly moving to the character's emotional experiences. So that's all. Thank you and good morning once again and Merry Christmas to all. God bless.